it.U. I'm here with you with a new style crystal beaded earrings, Bicone beads earring, dry floral earrings. So let's start this elegant earrings making. We have picked 6 silver seed beads 11O. We will make double knot here to make it secure. So after making knots, we will start our work, our beading. Pass through 1 silver seed bead 11O. We are adding here 3 bicone beads, one black bicone bead plus 1 white clear transparent bicone 3 mm plus 1 black 3 mm bicone. Passing through silver seed bead, we added here 3 bicones. Now we will pass through black bicone. After passing silver seed bead, we have to add 1 black bicone bead plus 1 white bicone 3 mm. Pass through black bicone and then we pass through silver seed bead. In this way, we will complete our floral shape beaded part of our earring. Elegant earrings, cute color combinations, black and white combination are always lovely, and we have to add in the same number in the same beads for 4 times. For 5th time we will add only 1 bead. So here we pass through silver seed bead, pull the thread, and now we have again adding 1 black plus 1 white bicone beads 3 mm, passing through silver seed bead. Now at the end we will add 1 white bicone crystal bead, 1 bicone here between 2 black bicones. First round is completed. Now we will start work here from black bicones. We will be adding blue bicone 3 mm beads to black bicones which we added in first round. Our thread is coming from black bicones hole. At this stage we will add here 1 royal blue color 3 mm bicone with 3 silver seed beads 11. We will add here. We will skip 3 silver seed beads and pass through blue bicones hole, and then we will pass through black bicones hole and pull the thread. It is added now. Blue bicone bead with 3 silver seed beads. In this way we will add 5 times more. We have to add 5 more bicones in blue color with silver seed beads in the same way, the same process. Today's earrings are very simple to make, easy to make, and very quick and fast to make. Even beginners can make these earrings very easily. Very easy pattern. I always try to bring for you all my projects which I bring for you. I always try to make it easy for you. So today's project is also its pattern is very easy to learn, to make. So continue beading, and now we have added 5. Now we have added 5 blue bicones with silver seed beads. I hope you guys like color combinations of today's earrings. Now we have added 6 times blue crystal bicone beads. Now it's time to add here earring wire, silver earring wire. We are adding here. We attach here with 2 white crystal bicone beads 3 mm. We are adding our earring wire here, passing through white crystal bead, bicone crystal bead 3 mm. We are adding 2 more white crystal beads with earring wire. We are adding here, passing through white crystal bead, white crystal bicone bead. Here we will make some knots, and now we are trimming the extra thread. Our beading process has finished. Now with lighter we will find the ends of thread, and now you can see the elegant look of our earrings, our floral crystal beaded earrings, floral shape. Elegant look of our earrings is here. I hope you guys like it. You must try it. Very easy but elegant, delicate jewelry. So I hope you would like it, and kindly subscribe my channel. Don't forget it. My channel Somi Crafty and my channel EasySaminJewelery. I need your subscriptions. I need your likes. I will say bye now. Allah Hafiz.